Hi everybody. Sorry I've been kind of out of touch this week. I was sick the first half of the week and didn't feel video worthy, and now I'm catching up, so I just wanted to touch base, kind of make sure that you guys are well into the process of what you're doing with uncontrolled media, and remind you that because this week's lesson was a bit shorter, I recommend that you start into next week's lesson, which is a bit longer. So in an effort to help you manage your time better, I recommend that you just kind of skip ahead a little bit and do part one of next week's lesson today, or this week as well. If you've already done that, I just want to mention that I added a few new links to the advertising slide in the part one lesson for controlled media, so you might want to go and click through that. One is to a website about Super Bowl commercials, and then the other is a link to Ad Age, which is the advertising industry's premier publication. And clicking around there will give you a good idea of what advertising is, how it fits into PR, as well as what are some contemporary issues in advertising. I also wanted to draw your attention to the media monitoring assignment. It's the first of two larger papers that's due in this class. It is due on March 23rd, so you still have plenty of time to get started on it. But I wanted to direct your attention to the assignment sheet, which is in the media monitoring folder, which is under the lessons tab. I actually recorded 2 videos already going over the assignment sheet, but unfortunately my internet connection keeps cutting out and I wasn't able to upload them. I think it's because it takes a little while to go over it, and for whatever reason the video on YouTube starts to cut out. So I'm not going to go over it in detail. I'm just going to point you in the direction of the folder, have you read the directions, get in touch with me with any questions, and if I get some questions that are pretty general, I'll create a video going over the paper in that way. I will say that the assignment requires you to monitor the media, both traditional and social media, about an organization. I want you to do it in real time, so starting basically February 20th, by then I want you to have chosen a brand, claimed it in the discussion forum in the media monitoring folder, decide if you're working with a partner or not, and then claim that in the discussion as well, and start monitoring the brand in the news using LexisNexis for traditional media, and I provide a link to the search engine in the assignment sheet, and also using things like Twitter searches, Google searches, Google key alerts, as well as sites like Technorati or blogsearch.google.com or IceRocket to look at different social media conversations that are going on about the brand of your choosing as well. I ask you to then create a data table about it, write a brief 4-page report about your findings, and submit all of that in the Dropbox. There's also some background reading that kind of sets the stage for why social media monitoring is important, and that's included in that folder as well. So basically, I think over the next 5 days, you should kind of click through that folder, do the background reading, claim your organization, and get started on the monitoring of your particular organization of your choosing. And again, if you have any questions, please do let me know. You can always visit me at my office hours. They're now Wednesday from 1:30 to 2 and Thursdays from 1 to 2, although today I won't be getting there till 1:30, so they'll be 1:30 to 2:30 today as well. You can always send me an email, or we can set up a Skype meeting as well. So I am here to listen to you and answer your questions, but unfortunately video isn't letting me review the the paper in its entirety today. So again, just get started clicking around and let me know what you think and what you find. Okay, have a great week.